So for lesson number 9 today, it's personality to your character and how we can apply personality to an object that technically wouldn't have feelings. If you can make an object that doesn't have feelings or feel anything, similar to the Pixar lamp, then you can achieve putting personality in just about anything. Let's get started with this lesson because this one's a fun one.
Okay, personality. Giving characters personality. So that's not necessarily facial expressions, although facial expression can be incorporated with that. So with personality, I always have my students do flour sacks, because flour sacks you can actually give, just like the Pixar lamp, just an object that has no feelings, because it shouldn't, because it's a flour sack, and give it like it's feeling, being tired, exhausted, making an effort. So I always like to draw a series of flour sacks, right? So you can kind of, he's just sitting there on the ground, kind of like, what, right? This guy here is he could be like reaching for a glass of water, just parched, right? So a flour sack is just a sack of flour, like so. Usually have like that, right? Like that. But we want to give them personality, like being sad, right? Doesn't look like he's doing too good, right? But he has personality. That how you develop this. It doesn't happen overnight, but start off with basic characters. Let's pick something else. The flour sack is nice because he can move and he can squish, right? And during our Center for Arts Technology boot camp, we teach the kids how to animate flour sacks. So this one's kind of dancing, right? Wait, this one's maybe this one's just laying in the sun. He's got his drink, this umbrella in it. He's on the beach towel. He's getting toasted, sun tanning, right? So that's giving characters personality. Alrighty. So that's end of lesson number 9, and we'll go over to the next one here.